Welcome back to Processing Brains. In this video, we will learn how to download and install Snapchat on Android devices. So here I have my Android device, that is Samsung, and to download and install Snapchat, you need to simply go and open up Play Store. Make sure that you are connected with the internet. And here, if you are not logged in, it would ask you to log in with your Google account on Play Store. And once you are logged in, here you will see this menu. Now here go and tap on search for apps and games at the top. Here type in for Snapchat, hit search. Now go and tap on install in front of Snapchat. Here you can see the process has started. First it will download Snapchat, so you can see the downloading process is on the move, and it depends upon your internet connection speed. So we are almost done. So you can see now the installation process has begun. The installation process could take a while. So simply go and wait for this to complete. Meanwhile, you can go and open up Snapchat details by tapping on Snapchat. And here you can see about this app, you can see the rating, you can see some of the screenshots, you can read reviews. So here you can see still the installation process is on the move. So just go and wait for it. So you can see the install is complete. Just go and tap on open. And here we are. Now you can log in or sign up as you want. And hope this video has helped you to download and install Snapchat on Android. But before you go, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.